ECM multi-speed blower motors that keep running even after you turn off your system are a total pain and waste so much energy. So, if your blower motor won't shut off, it's probably because the electronic control module, or ECM, is acting up. This little module controls when the blower runs based on signals it gets, usually a 24-volt control signal from your thermostat or HVAC system. If the module doesn't recognize that the signal is gone, it keeps the blower running nonstop. To fix this, first check if the module is actually getting the 24-volt signal when the system is off. That's a quick way to spot if something's wrong. If the blower keeps running even without that signal, your motor's internal module is likely faulty. The best move is to replace the ECM motor module completely instead of messing around trying to reset it or patch it up. Also, double-check your wiring to make sure there's no short or stuck relay causing the blower to stay on. Remember, running the blower non-stop isn't just annoying. It can jack up your energy bills big time and wear out your system fast. So don't wait too long to get this sorted out. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ECM blower motors that won't turn off is ignoring the problem and hoping it fixes itself, which just wastes energy and can cause bigger HVAC issues down the line. Another common issue is misdiagnosing the problem as a thermostat glitch when it's really the motor module failing to sense signal loss, so always test the voltage signal first before swapping out parts. Finally, some folks try to bypass or manually shut off the blower without fixing the module, which can damage the motor and void warranties. Proper replacement of the ECM module is the safest fix. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like ECM, blower motor repairs. Contractors get matched with real work too, so everybody wins when you need reliable help with your home projects.